What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you how you can set up an Oracle LinkedServer in SQL Server. So in order to achieve this you need to do a couple of things. First you need to install the Oracle client, and after you install the Oracle client you need to set up the TNS file, right? This will allow you to connect to your Oracle server, and then you create a LinkedServer. So the first step is to head over to Oracle eDelivery and download the Oracle client. So once you're there, all you need to do is sign in. After the sign in is complete, then you search for Oracle client. Now the Oracle client is just a drivers or software that allows you to connect to the Oracle database. So scroll down in the list, and I like to go with the latest version, so you can go with 21. So hit download, and then from the cart select continue. Select your platform. I'm using Windows. Then select continue. Accept the terms and agreement and continue. Select close. You don't want to download the gold version, so uncheck and then select download. However, if you don't have the Oracle Download Manager installed, it will ask you to install it. So this is the Oracle Install Manager, so open and then complete the installation, and then the Oracle client will be downloaded using the Oracle Download Manager. Now the next step, you want to create a directory, right, where you are going to do the installation, and then you're going to copy the file to that directory. So I have a folder called the app folder, and within the Oracle folder you should extract the client, right? So this is considered as your client home, and then the Oracle app Oracle will be considered as the base directory. So the next step is to install the client. Continue as administrator. Use the Windows built-in account and select next. You can keep the Oracle base, right? Or you can change it to the folder which you had created. So in my case it was the D drive, app and Oracle. And then it automatically changes software folder. If you select next, it will continue. So here's a brief summary of all information. So select install. This may take a few minutes to complete. So the installation has been completed. The next thing you want to do is grab your TNS file from your Oracle server. You can copy it or you can copy out the content, whichever works for you. So I'm logging on to my server as the Oracle user. Within the home directory under the networks folder, you can find the TNS file. If you view the tns.ora file, you should be seeing the TNS names for your host. So mine is dev2. So copy this information. Now go to the home directory of your installation. Product, client, and then within the network folder, open the admin folder, open sample, edit the TNS names file, and then you can get rid of all of this and then paste the TNS information there. Save the file and then copy the TNS names to the network directory. If you bring up command prompt and do a TNS ping of the alias, you should get a response. So the alias name was dev2. So no listener, that means the listener on my database server is not running. So I need to start the listener so my database can now accept connections. So if we do a TNS ping again to dev, we should no longer get the error that the listener is not running. So now let's connect to SQL Server Management Studio. Once you are connected to your Management Studio, expand server objects, expand LinkedServers, right? And under the provider section, right click on the Oracle provider, select properties, and then select allow in process. This allows you to run process on the Oracle database. Then select OK. Now it's time to create the LinkedServer. So I'm going to show you two ways how you can do this. First, right click, new server, specify a name for the LinkedServer. I'm going to call it dev2. Change data source to Oracle provider, and for the data source name specify dev2. So what is happening here is that it's going over to the Oracle client and taking all that information within the TNS file and plugging it right here. So the second step, I'll pretty much show you what happens indirectly. For the security connection, select be made with using the security context. Specify the user and the password on the Oracle database. Now remember, this is the remote server that you're trying to access. And do not use system for these because this is just a test environment. If you expand the LinkedServer, expand catalogs, select the default, then you should be seeing a list of tables and objects that you have access to. Now the second option is to manually specify the data source. So it's like you're doing a direct connection when you use this method. So here I have a script that you can use. Specify the username and the password. And for the data source, if you look carefully in the description list, right, it has the connection details that would be in the TNS file. I'll also leave the script in the comment section of the video. So if you did not set up the TNS file and you use this data source within your LinkedServer, then you'll still be able to connect to your server. So let's do a test connection. And the connection is successful. So that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like this video and comment for more tutorials like this because this channel may help you in the future. Again, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.